If you're a vlogger or a YouTube creator, or perhaps you do podcasts, there is one thing that you are definitely going to need, and that is a fairly decent quality microphone. The problem with microphones is, though, that quite often they'll come with leads, well, more often than not. And if you want a good quality microphone, you'll usually find that it is some sort of a jack plug on it, or indeed, for the higher quality ones, these very chunky leads and plugs as well. So wouldn't it be nice to have a microphone that doesn't need all these wires and leads? I mean, even the microphone I'm using at the moment, this radio mic, has leads. And if you think, well, I'll use the built-in microphone, usually the built-in microphone is not of really good quality. So what are you going to do? Well, you'll no doubt get tangled up in a mess. Hi and welcome back to Take It Out. Today we're going to be looking at something that may be the answer to this problem, and this could be sort of a joint venture between the two of us, because I don't know anything really about this. I haven't researched it apart from the name and what it looks like. Apart from that, I know nothing about it, so this opening and looking at the first view of the product is going to be something that we do together. Now, this is a microphone by Sabinetek, and it's called the SmartMike Plus. If I get it out, we have two packages. Okay, I was expecting one, but there are two. Which one should we open first, the large one or the small one? Let's go for the small one, is it? So I think I'm going to grab scissors for this rather than my knife. Let's get this open. Now this is a professional quality Bluetooth microphone. Okay. So we have a microphone head there. Okay, like I said, I'm doing this together with you. I don't know what's in these packages at all. So we'll get them out and we'll have a look at them. Really well tightly packed. Using what's left of my nails to unpack it. And there is the microphone head, which obviously you can plug straight into a mobile phone or some other recording device, a handheld audio recorder perhaps. It's got a swivel type head, so you can position it, and it looks as if it'll record from all angles. It's not directional by the looks of it, although it may be at the front. Like I said, I haven't looked this up. I haven't seen any of the specs in it as yet, so we're doing this together. I know I keep repeating myself, but just so that you know. Okay, so the second package. What's in this one? This must be the main microphone unit. I have to say, there's a fair weight to this package. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Now, like I said, I've seen the photograph of it, but I haven't actually seen the unit itself. It's compatible with iOS and Android. The SmartMike Plus for vlogging, YouTubing. It's Bluetooth microphone. That stands out. CES Prize 2020. Headphone, personal audio and mobile devices accessories. So it's a CES Prize winner. Okay, so that says a lot. The CES do not give out prizes for nothing. Computer electronics show, and I think it was done online in 2020, if I remember, because of that, and this dreadful ailment that's going about still. I didn't mention it in case YouTube take offence. Okay, let's open this up then. Let me lead the knife with a spit. bit of ASMR for you. Take the plastic off. And again, it's really nice packaging, I've got to say. It's not cheap and nasty. Like I said, there's a fair weight to this, so I'm wondering what's in here altogether. Okay, the big reveal. Ta-da! Well, of course, we've got the unit. Oh, look at that. That looks lovely. That looks really nice. There's a little pull-out tab there to pull it up with, so you don't have to struggle pulling it out. That looks really nice. If you've got an iOS device, especially any of the white ones, you're going to love this. Earpods and everything, iOS tend to be white. And this is actually got the Bluetooth light is on already. So we got a little hole in the top there. Button on the side there, and that's a microphone port there, I would imagine, where the pickup of sound. Sabinetek there. So let's put that there. I was expecting it to be grey, but it's not. It's silver and white. Okay. And in this side, we have, this is wonderful, because you've got a dead cat with it. And I was going to make a dead cat for it. And my dead cat's a bit bigger than this one, so I'm glad they've sent this along. Again, not many microphone manufacturers actually will send you a dead cat along with the microphone. So there's a little hole there, elasticated hole, that it fits into. I'm not going to fit it on there at the moment, so we'll put that to the side. What else do we have in here? Well, we have a foam version. We have a USB type. It's a type A to a micro USB. So it's not a USB-C. And I was talking about earpods. Well, the shape is very similar. It's a earphone here, and I take it that's where the little plug there comes in, because this would be used for monitoring. Let's just take the plastic off there, like that, and that'll plug in there, and then of course that'll go in your ear, and you can monitor the quality of the sound that is being recorded, or sent to the device, I should say. That could come in very handy for something else, which would come in part 2 of this. Part 1 is just the unboxing. Part 2 is setting it up with the app, because of course there is an app with it. And also, I think this is going to solve a problem that I've had for a very, very long time. Yeah, this could be really, really good. Okay, let's have a look what else is in the box. We have the little user guide with the setup instructions and a QR code for the app. Always good when they include the QR code, so you don't have to go searching for it on various websites. You never know what you're going to find. So always get your apps from the manufacturer. And if there's a QR code, use it. There's enough viruses about as it is. You don't want to lose data. And then, wow, okay. Now, I said that was a user guide. That's more of a setup guide. Look at this. What the holy colour as well. I've never seen a product come. They always come the tatty little, like this, printed out booklet, and usually nothing else. And then you have to again go searching around to find out how to do things with it. But this, it comes with a full setup guide in colour, step by step, how to do things. And again, the QR code is in there. And it's a quality book. It's it's not the cheap plain paper. It's a good what they call it, plasticized type paper. Sabinetek on the front there. So we've got everything here now to actually start setting up. So the next part of the video, part 2, will be the setting up. I'll tell you what we'll do. Let's try and find the app on this part of the video, and then the next part we'll set up the app itself. Let me grab my phone. Okay, so I've got my phone open with the camera, and we just need to get it to focus, move further away. QR code read. SmartMike app open up. It's coming from the Google Play App Store, so we know it's secure. Open the app. Connecting the world with sound. Okay. Record from a distance with Bluetooth. So then we have to give it permissions while using the app. So in terms of service there, we have to actually say yes to them, and no device connected. So what it looks like is you can use this as the recording device as well. Excellent. Okay, so we'll go into it further with the setting up of the app and the use of the app, and possibly a game-changing use of this particular unit as well when we see the next video. For now though, thank you for watching, and do subscribe and ring that bell and all that type of stuff, ready for when we do the next video on this and actually try it out to see just how good it is. For now though, thank you for watching.